This is the RMIC-SR dynamic handheld wired microphone that comes with a carry case and mic cables. This dynamic microphone has a sleek design with an ergonomic feel and is great for a variety of applications like live performances, DJ sets, home and professional studios, conference events, houses of worship, podcasts, interviews, Twitch game and live streams, karaoke, and much more. This is a clear sounding and durable dynamic mic that can do it all. Now it comes in this carry case with a handle that's great for protecting and storing your mic when you're not using it. The mic also comes with a mic clip that allows you to attach to many different stands for different applications. Also included with the mic are two high quality, 100% pure oxygen free copper cables. There is no aluminum in these cables, and so you'll get a much cleaner sound, distortion free, and the cables will last a lot longer. There is a standard XLR cable and an XLR to 1/4 inch cable so that you can use the mic on either types of inputs. The mic itself has a solid metal construction with a great feel to it, and has the hint of red that matches popular interfaces and headphones in the market, like the Focusrite Scarlett interface and our own Pro M50SR headphones. Internally, the M56 cartridge with a neodymium magnet gives the combination of components that lend to a great tone and sensitivity, which means your mouth will not have to be on the mic for it to pick up sound. This mic is also a unidirectional top address microphone with the cardioid pickup pattern and a windscreen underneath the top that allows very little background noise to be picked up. This makes it great for on-the-go podcast or camera interviews that might be in a busy or noisy location. You can even use an XLR to 1/8 inch cable and plug this microphone directly into the mic input on a camera and use it as your camera's mic. You can also use this kind of cable to plug directly into a computer's 1/8 inch mic input if the sound card allows for it, and then use this mic for podcasting or live streaming. And since it's a dynamic microphone, it can handle sound sources with high SPL, which makes it great to mic up drums, guitar amps, bass amps, or loud instruments for live or studio performances. And if you're wondering what this mic sounds like, you've been hearing it this whole time. I've been using it as the main mic for this whole video. The RMIC-SR is a versatile dynamic microphone with a sleek design and a clean tone that will be great for live performances, DJ sets, home and professional studios, conference events, houses of worship, podcasts, interviews, Twitch game and live streams, karaoke, and much, much more. So if you're looking for a versatile and professional handheld dynamic wired microphone for your setup, look no further than the RMIC-SR from Rockville.